Take a look at this house. Can you guess how is it made? Not by any builder or not by any worker. This house is made entirely by machines. Hello everyone and welcome back to one more episode of the Mark Show. 3D printing is a technology that has been introduced in the recent times, and in this video we will talk about some of the crazy and coolest things that people have printed. So let's get started without wasting much time. Before moving forward, you might ask, Mohit, the title looks cool, but what exactly 3D printing is? In simple terms, 3D printing is a process of creating a three-dimensional object from a digital model. But this is not some conventional manufacturing process. In 3D printing, the object is usually created layer by layer. The digital model is usually created with the help of computer-aided design, that is the CAD software, and then this digital model is passed on to the 3D printers, which then creates the actual physical object by adding the material in the successive layers. If there are any food bloggers watching this video, then there's a good news. Not only the materials such as the plastics, ceramics or metals, but also food can be 3D printed. So I guess you have got a slight idea on what 3D printing is. So let's move ahead to a list of simply amazing things that people have manufactured till date. About a decade ago, I fall down from a staircase and got a fracture to my left hand. In those days, they used to put on the fractures which were made up from the plaster of Paris, which was quite rigid and it was quite difficult to live with it. Since that time, many advancements have been made in the field of the medical science and in the technology to heal your fractures quicker. One such advancement is 3D printed cast that helps you heal faster. In the year 2014, the designer Denis Karazin came up with this brilliant concept of a new cast for broken limbs, which not only looks awesome but also helps in the healing process. I mean, just look at it. Initially, I thought that this is some kind of fashion element which is designed by some fashion designer, but no, there is more to it. The 3D printed cast consists of a low intensity pulse ultrasound system. This ultrasound system helps to heal the damaged bones faster, as much as 38% as compared to the previous methods. So let's move forward. पर यार भूख लगी है. So let's order a 3D printed pizza. Foodini is a 3D food printer that is capable of printing an entire pizza in one go. This 3D printer, which was manufactured by natural machines, is not just capable of producing pizza, but it can also handle other foodstuffs such as the burger, spaghetti, and even more. Of course, this kind of machines are fairly high-end, and in 2016, the price of this machine was around $2,000. But perhaps this kind of things can be the taste of our future. Mechanical parts? Okay. Food? Fine. But can we manufacture a body part? 3D printing is fairly exciting field, not just in manufacturing new parts or new gadgets, but also in the field of medical research. There have been various advancements in the field of bioprinting in the last few years. 3D printing can now be used to manufacture any body part. 3D printing can be used for tissue repair and reconstruction. It can be used for limb replacement. Not only this, it can be used for the kidney transplants and even heart transplants. This is mind-blowing. While researching on this topic, I have seen the images of the nose and ears that were completely 3D printed. A company called as Organovo has been the pioneers in the field of bioprinting. The company is involved in 3D printing liver and kidney tissues that can be used to treat the failing human organs. Similar to the plastic surgery, various body parts can now be easily 3D printed and can be replaced. According to me, this technology have the potential to save millions of lives. Back in the year 2014, a Chinese company known as Vincent crafted an entirely 3D printed house. Four large 3D printers were used to spray the concrete in order to construct the walls of this house. The company claimed that this 3D printing method is a way cheaper than the conventional method, and the fact that no manpower was used to manufacture this house makes the cost even lesser. The company claimed that it can manufacture these 3D printed houses for less than $5,000. Last but not the least are the 3D printed boots which were manufactured by Nike. In the year 2013, Nike showed off its new design of Vapor Laser Talon football boots. These were the first ever 3D printed boots that were designed to help the athletes perform better thanks to its lightweight and better traction grip. The 3D printing technology is simply amazing. it can manufacture the things from a few millimeters up to a few microns. The accuracy of the 3D printing depends upon several factors such as the 3D printer itself, the material which is being used, and the complexity of the part that has to be manufactured. So this was a list of some of the crazy and coolest things that people have manufactured with the help of 3D printing technology. If you found this informative, do like the video and share it with the others too, and don't forget to subscribe to the Mark Show for more such content. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.